Okay, the next thing I want to show you is how close these lights are to the plants. I cover the same idea about the spread on my No More Grow More Fat cards, but here, if these buckets are about 2 feet tall, right, buckets are about 2 feet tall, then halfway between the lights about 2 feet and another 2 feet there, right? So let's take a look, and if we try to grow a plant in these buckets, you can quickly see that these plants are going to overgrow this 2-foot line and they're going to be too close to the light. Even if you take a plant, you pinch the top, you pinch the top right here and you grow this plant that's really bushy and you grow a scrog, you're not going to have enough time and space in this garden. The buds are going to get closer than 2 feet to 1,000-watt light. That's way too close. You're going to cook the buds. So you can see in this garden, based on this size, that these lights are way too close. Alright, stay with me, and we're going to look at the exhaust system next and the CO2, and we're going to see if that's set up right for this garden as well. I'm the Grow Boss. I'll be right back. And if you want more information on growing, you can pick up a set of my No More Grow More flashcards from my website, thegrowboss.com. It's everything you need to know to grow, guaranteed. And while you're there, check out my other products.